I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the brand new series of the THANKKK exploring the capital of India, Delhi. Well, my name is Jabong Sudir, and come follow me as I get lost in this beautiful city. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. So hi guys, this is our first location here in THANKKK place in Rajiv Chowk. It's the high street place, so it's a very good place to visit. And yeah, if you come here in Delhi, and it's like people say like this place, it's the place where all the Instagram bloggers and vloggers, YouTube vloggers come here. So do come here and pay a visit, and yeah, enjoy. Hi, so we are in the second location. Oh, by the way, I came with her. She is Lazumi. She's also a YouTuber. You can also subscribe to her channel. She came all the way from Sikkim just to vlog here, so I'm taking her around. So yeah, we have reached the second location. This is Jantar Mantar. So yeah, I'll see you around.
Just cross the body, yeah.
So hi guys, we have reached the third location. So where are we?
India Gate, it's
And-
just behind me.
That is one of the most prominent places, war memorial place. It is one of the most prominent war memorials here in India, and it's a really good place to visit. Yeah, here we have India Gate. On the other side, on that side, we have the Rashtrapati Bhavan, which I will take you after I go here. We have reached the Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is the official home of the President of India, and it has around 340 rooms with 4 stories and built by around 1 billion bricks all over this place. So it has gardens everywhere. There are like around 100 plus types of roses as well, and yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, so yeah, I'll take you around. Hi guys, we have reached HIMACHAL, which is one of my favorite places to come here and eat food. If you are my friend, you know how much I love HIMACHAL. Well, so I'll take you around there. भाई कैसा है? कैसा है भैया? कितना है ये लॉन्ग पेंट्स? आप क्या खा रहे हैं? चलो भैया।